Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be absolutely fun and interesting because I have something exciting to show you from Samsung. So in the past, Samsung has sent us variety of tech related products guys, phones, smartwatches and whatnot. And this time they've sent us something like truly unexpected guys. It's a washing machine, but let me tell you, this is not your ordinary washing machine. This is like completely next gen stuff guys. Yes, this is their all new AI Ecobubble smart front load washing machine, and let me tell you, it packs like ton of smart features on board. First of all, it's complete AI guys. It's got like AI controls, touch buttons are available, has a beautiful display, and on top of that it's got something known as Samsung's all new Ecobubble technology that efficiently wash your clothes, and we'll talk about all of that in depth at a later part in this video. And not only that, it's also like smart Wi-Fi enabled washing machine. Like it's like loaded with stuff guys. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. Let's get started. So our all new AI Ecobubble washing machine from Samsung came in this sort of huge box packaging. There's nothing much mentioned on it, just the Samsung branding and some details about the product. The model we'll be checking out today is a 5-star rated front load washing machine with 9 kg capacity. Now I don't want to keep you waiting anymore, so I'll quickly get started with the unboxing and show you the product. There you go, here's our brand new AI Ecobubble washing machine from Samsung. It's available in like 2 to 3 different color variants I believe, and we have the Inox color edition. Beautiful, right? Sort of looks like grey finish. So the unboxing and installation happened the very next day itself after the delivery. Samsung service team was quite responsive and helpful. The installation was done within 30 to 40 minutes after they came, and they even gave like a whole demo and showed us how to use the washing machine and explained all of its modes. So our installation is all done, and here's our washing machine guys, all good to go. And initial impressions, I have to say this machine looks absolutely beautiful guys. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the product, and then first we'll talk about the design and build quality part. Samsung's all new AI Ecobubble has a beautiful looking design. It's got a minimalistic look with a modern contemporary touch and definitely gives you that premium look and feel for sure. Our model came in Inox color, and as mentioned before, it's a front load type machine powered by digital inverter technology. Okay, let me just give you a closer look and talk about the AI controls present on it. Control panel is at the top central area, and man, oh man, look at that finishing. You've got a couple of touch buttons over here and a control dial at the center, and also a big display to the right. And let me tell you, quality of this dial is top notch guys. Has a full chrome finish on it and offers a geared sort of movement. Love the clicky feedback while using. Moving on, let me tell you about the motor as well. Ecobubble washer features a digital inverter technology utilizing strong magnets on board for a quieter and powerful performance, at the same time consuming less energy than your regular motor. Very durable performance as said by the brand, and they're even offering up to 10-year warranty on this motor. And not to miss out that it's a 5-star rated product, so consumes very less power. Build quality is top notch so far guys, and good thing is this product is completely made in India. Alright, let me also open the front door and give you a look on the inside as well. You've got a couple of accessories over here for the washing machine, like those pipes and stuff. There's a rubber door gasket, and this is how the interior drum looks like. Look at this! It comes with a new gen diamond drum design that is very gentle on your clothes and has small holes everywhere that fill and drain water as required while washing. Super high quality material used. There is nothing less you can expect over here. About time guys, let me power it on and show you how the machine looks like. All you need to do is just touch this power button for about 1 to 2 seconds, and there you go, it says hello on the display followed by the wash modes. And let me tell you, the display can show the text in different languages, and I've chosen English by default. And this AI control panel is like super easy to use guys. Anybody can use it at your home. Just watch my video for all the details. Basically you got like 3 controls on the front, power on off and start stop touch buttons on the left and right, and the main control dial at the center. Using this dial you can easily switch between different washing modes available on this machine. And talking about the display, it's a very good display and quite informative as well. Shows a lot of information like the current wash mode it is set to, and not only that, you can even adjust the water temperature, how many times you want to rinse the clothes, motor RPM, and some status indicators as well like Wi-Fi, smart things control, and door lock indication as well. I've been using it for the past few days, right? Display was like bright, crisp and clear, and easily readable in any sort of situation. And talking about the modes on it, I'm telling you, right, you will be blown away by looking at the menu. There were almost like 21 to 22 different modes available on it, each one for a different type of fabric and scenario. And the whole thing is AI powered, guys. AI technology on this machine learns your washing patterns each time you use it, thereby simplifying the options and suggests you the most frequently used settings every time you power it on. I mean, just look at it. There are so many modes available, like you've got cotton, wool, synthetic fabric, and delicate material, towels. And apart from these, you've also got your regular rinse and spin option, 15-minute quick wash is there, super speed mode, a super eco power saving wash mode is also available, and the list just keeps on going. And in each of these modes, you can also fine tune settings. Like for example, in this cotton wash mode, you can adjust the temperature of the water, set it to like 40 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees as per your requirement, how many times you want to rinse the clothes, spin RPM, all by a simple touch. And best part is, it even shows you how much time the whole wash process will take on the display. Very intuitive and useful. So guys, we've been using this machine for quite some time, and now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on it. And I'll also talk about all the special features and technologies you get on this model. Starting off with Ecobubble technology. Ecobubble offers a powerful yet gentle cleaning performance to wash your clothes. Basically, it converts all the detergent that you put into the machine, right, into soft bubbles and helps it quickly penetrate the fabric and removes dirt very easily, all while saving energy and also protecting the fabric's color and texture. So as I've told you, we've been using this washing machine for almost 3 weeks now, and we were like quite happy with the results. Though I'm not your regular laundry guy, my mom has been using it mostly, and she told me that she was like very impressed with the machine. The washing machine was effortlessly removing stains and dirt from all the clothes, and not a single garment or fabric lost its color or even the texture while using. It was just as effective in both cool water as well as in warm water. And I've already told you about its AI control, right? The machine keeps learning your habits, like what sort of modes you're using on a regular basis, and next time when you use the machine, right, it keeps suggesting with your personalized settings and modes, so you don't have to go through that hassle again, guys. So it makes things and usability very easy. And did I mention that it's also Wi-Fi enabled? Yes, you just need to link it with your SmartThings app on your Samsung phone, and voila, you can completely remote access your washing machine from anywhere, guys, using just your phone. From here, you can set the wash mode, you can adjust the water temperature, how many times you want to rinse the cloth, and basically all of these settings are accessible. And apart from these usual settings, the SmartThings app also offers some pretty interesting features, guys. Now, this is something known as laundry recipe, and it's like super cool. For example, you're like a newlywed housewife and you have no idea what all those modes mean on the washing machine. You just need to simply open up this app on your phone and head over to the laundry recipe and select the type of clothes you want to wash. And the app will only automatically suggest you the best wash mode suitable for that type. For example, you've got some t-shirts to wash or maybe like jeans to wash. You just need to select that sort of fabric name in the app, and that is it, guys. The app will only suggest you the best suitable mode and all the settings that you need to apply on the washing machine. Like, how cool is that? And there's also something known as laundry planner, and this is used to help you manage your wash time to optimize and efficiently manage your schedule and wash times. And moving on, there's also a special mode called as super speed. So usually washing clothes require quite a bit of time, right? It takes usually like 2 to 3 hours. But on this particular washing machine, right, there is something known as super speed. It's basically like a quick 3-step bubbling process that utilizes Ecobubble followed by speed spray from the top, and lastly accelerating the spin speed for drying. Basically cutting down the huge amount of washing time and getting it done in only around like 59 minutes. And lastly, you've got something known as Hygiene Steam Wash. Hygiene Steam Wash greatly improves the cleaning quality of your wash without any sort of pre-treatments. It releases steam from the bottom of the drum, so every fabric item that you put in for wash is thoroughly saturated, thus removing any sorts of stains or dirt and eradicates 99.9% allergens and bacteria. Well, that is it. These were all the special modes and features on Samsung's all-new AI Ecobubble washing machine. I had a great time working on this video, and to be honest, I never thought a washing machine video could be this much fun. Overall, excellent design and build quality, very simple and easy to use AI controls. Anybody at your home can operate it, and main thing is it offers top-notch performance. The motor on the machine was quite efficient and capable of spinning super fast, guys. At the same time, keeping the power consumption and noise levels also to minimum. And the brand is offering up to like 10-year warranty on the motor and 3-year warranty on the product. I'll leave all the pricing details and link for the products in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know everything about this machine. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.